many of the faculty members that we are recruiting, they also want to be part of this building up because they understand that they are entering still in an early stage. A university, they can shape, they can make the change, they can influence in which direction it will go. But there is even a factor much more important, and that is the approach that we are looking at Gtiit, similarly to the approach of the Technion and the United States, that every faculty member, even the junior one, is an independent researcher.
Absolutely. In 2 words, it's academic freedom. They can be independent researchers. They can promote and they can focus on what really they want to do as scientists. And this is very special to GTIIT.
This is not common in China, because in China there is an hierarchy. Even an assistant professor, the junior one, just joined us. He has to build his own lab, to recruit his own graduate students, to look for funding, raise funds in China, outside China, and he is responsible, and his success is measured by his ability to show independence. Now this is challenging, it's not easy, but this is very attractive. We offer them an option that is not common in China of becoming independent.